Good morning, YouTubers. This is Professor Sir Jeffrey Darling-Milkfield. I have received some inquiries about the lighting in houses. If you've entered into a new house and you're curious about the lighting and how to operate it, you really do need to learn about this. This is a light switch, which is placed approximately 5 feet in the air on the wall of your house, and it's really quite a simple procedure. If you wish to turn on the lights, you'll need to press one of these buttons. In this particular case, there were 4 buttons: 1, 2, 3, and 4, each one operating a different area of lighting. In this particular case, this one controls lighting outside. This one contains lighting for a different room. These two operate the lighting in the room in which I am now standing. So for instance, if I press this is the important part. If you must press the switch, you will see that some lighting has been activated. And if I try this one again, always remember that, and all light switches are the same, you must press the light switch in order to receive the reaction you're hoping for, which is of course illumination. So here we go, and that makes rather difference to the room. Thank you.